the balance of nature is constantly challenged, there emerges a day dedicated to protection of our one and only home, the planet Earth. Earth Day is a time for reflection, action, and unity in the face of the greatest challenge humanity has ever encountered, that is, the protection of our planet.
This day is not an ordinary day. It's the day celebrating the global movement towards protecting our beloved planet, which is powered by millions of individuals, organizations, and communities coming together to make a difference. But is Earth Day only about raising our voices towards environmental problems? No. It is about contributing something positive towards the planet. So here I present to you the Eco Warriors of Team Sanjeevani, who will share innovative and creative ways to celebrate Earth Day.
This Earth Day, I will be making millet snacks known for their rich nutrients and vitamins. Millets require significantly less water as compared to the crops like wheat and rice. Moreover, their cultivation avoids pesticides and contributes to a healthier soil. Millets have gained global recognition as a sustainable cooking ingredient. This Earth Day, I promise to cook and eat sustainable and a healthier diet every day.
This Earth Day, I will take the initiative to do composting at my home and in my neighborhood. It will further help in reducing landfill waste and making our own soil more nourished and compost fit. In addition to encourage sustainable living and the betterment of the community, this practice will make our earth more cleaner and greener. At last, I would like to say this is my contribution to this Mother Earth.
In observance of Earth Day, I will create this environmentally conscious artwork using discarded materials such as cardboard cutouts, plastic spoons, and other waste materials. The creation will promote the concept of zero waste and be sustainable.
Hello everyone, on Earth Day this year, I will be making a bird feeder from recycled material. Earth Day is a simple yet meaningful way to support wildlife and to reduce waste. By repurposing waste material like milk cartons or plastic bottles, we can provide local bird species with a comfortable habitat by demonstrating our commitment to environment stewardship.
This Earth Day, I would prepare seed balls to help plants develop more effectively. I would like to commemorate Earth Day by gifting it to our family and friends and asking them to toss it to any empty ground they come across while going out. This will result in a greener earth.
I have decided to celebrate this Earth Day by taking my family on a nature walk and absorbing in the splendor of nature. I'll take my time and observe the different species of flowers, bees, and the sounds of winds rustling through the trees.
Keeping our planet clean is also our responsibility. So I'll pick up the trash or clean the litter if found somewhere along the path. Happy Earth Day to all of you.
As we celebrate Earth Day 2024, let us remember that every day is an opportunity to cherish, protect, and nurture our precious planet. Let our collective efforts continue to ripple across the globe, inspiring change, fostering sustainability, and preserving the beauty of our home for generations to come. Together, we hold the power to shape a brighter, greener future. Let's pledge to walk gently upon this earth, for it is not only our responsibility but our privilege to safeguard the wonders of nature. Happy Earth Day today and every day.